This is a 2013 Mazak Hyper Quadrex 450MY with Mazatrol matrix control. Machine has a 20-inch SMW 3-jaw chuck, 12-position upper turret, 8-position lower turret. That's the spindle running at 350. That's 600. That's 850. That's the spindle at 1,000. Now we're going to show the C-axis. It's got a full C-axis. All right. We do the lower turret first. Lower turret has an SMW Autoblock steady rest mounted. It's an 8-position turret. It's closing. Z sounds good. There's X. This machine has a maximum machining diameter of 82.83 inches, machining length of 82.83. Upper turret, 12 position. It's got 2 live tools mounted. Z-axis. There's your X. And the Y. There's the live tool running at 750. And that's 1,500. 2,000. All right. Send it at home. Now we're going to index the turret. 2 holders mounted go with the machine. Like I said, 2 live, 1 axial, 1 radial. Here comes your tailstock. Machine also has a chip conveyor and Mazak Superflow high pressure coolant.